I'm not really sure what the question is here. This is more just kind of notation, whether or not maybe it's negative or positive. Here's an example where population 1 is corresponding to women and population 2 is corresponding to men. So if you take the mean from population 1 minus the mean from population 2, you get this confidence interval here, whatever is listed here, 95%, and they're both negative. So completing the rest of the parts of this problem, what would it suggest? Well, for one, since the confidence interval does not include 0, it appears there is a significant difference between the mean levels of hemoglobin in women and the mean levels of hemoglobin in men. And then what that's saying is 95% confidence interval that the value of the difference between the two populations is in that interval. And then here you have to be careful because we can switch men to being population 1 and women to be population 1, and we have this here, this mean from population 1 minus mean from population 2. It's going to be the positive difference there. So you can think of this as a little bit kind of like the absolute value. The distance between the two would need to be the same. So here they're on the both side of the left side of the 0. Here they're both on the right side of the 0, where negative 1.62 is greater than negative 1.76, where positive 1.76 is greater than positive 1.62. So hopefully that explains any questions over 9.2.2.